Is this my first whisper? So please bear with me. I'm not 100% sure what to talk about. I guess I'll start with a little bit about myself. I'm from the UK and I'm currently a student at university, my second year. I'm studying sport. My favorite sport is gymnastics. I really enjoy it. I'm not that good though, but that's okay because as long as you're having fun. I'm quite a shy person. I can be really quiet around people I don't really know, but my friends and family usually can't shut me up, so once you get to know me, I'm a lot more sociable. I'm kind of hoping that by making these videos it will help me to improve my confidence with people I don't know. I guess I can come across sometimes being a bit rude, but that's really not my intention. I'm just shy and struggle with new social situations. I've named my channel Wavering Whispers. There are so many other whispers out there that it's quite hard to come up with a name that wasn't already taken, but I hope this one is okay. I listen to a lot of whispers myself. They help relax me and I often listen to them to send me off to sleep at night. Been having a few sleep issues at the moment, so they've been a real help. I must say my favorite whisper at the moment is Wandering Whisper. I hope you don't mind me mentioning you, but I've listened to all of your videos and I think you've done a really good job. I guess I feel a bit weird sitting in my room whispering to myself, but I hope that someone somewhere will listen to it. Please rate and comment and let me know what you think. I hope you like it, but if you don't, then that's okay. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion. So I'm quite tired tonight, so I'm gonna leave it there, but hopefully I will make another one soon. I hope you guys enjoy this and have had a good day.